785. Brazilian.
Has a lot of windows.
Shipments. See, it will go to the place that is fit for.
Yeah, welcome back to the flight deck. Today, Duygu is a pilot flying to Istanbul.
Ground control, good evening. Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy on stand Sierra 9, request pushback.
And Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy Seattle ramp, push tail to the east.
Start your engine, sir.
Okay, starting right and left. Start right engine.
Ground
Yes, sir.
score 3615 S1 Alpha.
Skywest 4146 Seattle ramp, your push approved tail south.
Push approved, tail south, Gus 4146.
For 99 Sierra 1. Delta 1837 Seattle ramp, taxi 99
Yes,
park, give way to the dash, push off Sierra 1, they're going to push tail west.
Okay, flaps fine before
Alright,
taxi.
taxi to the gate.
B99 will give way to the dash 8.
Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist, anti-ice auto, recall checked, flight controls,
Checked.
ground equipment.
Clear.
Before taxi checklist complete.
Okay, standing by for southwest.
38 Juliet Kilo Heavy, taxi 88 to ground, 0.7.
Ground control, good evening. Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy on spot 88.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, Seattle ground, runway 348, taxi via Bravo. Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, monitor tower 119.9er.
Monitor tower 119.9er, bye bye Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Well, FK32, disregard, we're all set.
Okay, after the heavy departure, I'll get you going.
Roger.
34 right, airport sector is clear.
Checks, we will stop here.
Okay.
And shall I
Southwest
inform?
1243,
Yes,
runway
I have
34 right, clear for takeoff.
Communication.
Cleared for takeoff, 34 right, southwest 1243.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Seattle Tower, runway 34 right, line up and wait, traffic heavy jet, 10 mile final.
34 right, please line up and wait, Turkish 8 Juliet.
Horizon 2092, contact departure, have a good
Okay,
day.
line up and wait.
Departure Horizon 2092, good day.
Heavy traffic on final.
Check.
I have terrain on my side.
Radar on my side.
Okay, 34 right, identified.
Check.
Seattle Tower, good evening, Eva 026 Heavy, 9 mile, 34 right.
Eva 026 Heavy, Seattle Tower, caution wing turbulence, heavy Boeing 787M position, 1 departure after that, wind 020 at 7, runway 34 right, clear to land.
Good land, Eva 34 right, Eva 026.
Yes.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, runway 34 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 34 right, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Stop.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
You have control, I have
I have
communication.
control.
Have a nice flight.
Have a
Take
nice
off.
flight.
Stabilized. Thrust rep.
Checked.
Takeoff thrust set.
Eva 026 Heavy, reduce to your final approach speed. Skywest 4146, caution wing turbulence, runway 34
knots.
right, line up and wait, traffic will
Hold.
cross, additional traffic, heavy jet, 6 mile final.
34 right, let up poise, goes 4146.
Skywest 3404 from Juliet, turn right on runway 34 center, left at Mike, hold short, runway 34 right.
Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike, and hold short, 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive rate.
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, cleared across 34 right, ground lead the satellite, FK32.
Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7.
Cross 34 right, Delta 1143.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Thrust ref in speed.
Check.
Departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000.
Check.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, sail departure. Good evening, radar contact. Climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb and maintain 15,000 Turkish, 7 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
15,000 checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Horizon 2092, clear direct Bander.
Clear direct Bander, Horizon 2092.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, say altitude leaving.
We're passing 2,500 now.
Thank you.
Flaps 1.
Delta 2523, contact center on 126.6.
Flaps 1.
126.6.
Speed
Delta
checked.
2523.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, contact signal center on 134.95. Good day.
134.905 Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy. Goodbye.
So 105, contact Vancouver Center 134.8.
10,000.
Check.
Good day.
Yes, good day Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 10,600 for 15,000.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, signal center, minor precipitation the next 20 miles, maintain level 350.
Climb and maintain 350 Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
350 checked. Okay, seat belts.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, turn 30 degrees right, vector for traffic.
Turning 30 degrees to the right Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
Heading Sam.
030 checked.
Center Eastern 7590, signal center right. Center Eastern 7590, Seattle Center Roger. Runway 34 center, left at Mike, hold short, runway 34 right.
Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike, and hold short, 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive rate.
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, clear to cross 34 right, ground the other side of left, 832. Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7. Cross 34 right, Delta 1143. Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo.
Transref inner speed.
Check.
Departure, good day Turkish, 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000.
Autopilot.
Air, correction,
Check.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, sail departure, good evening, radar contact. 6 caution wing turbulence, runway 34
knots.
right, line up and wait, traffic will
Hold.
cross, additional traffic, heavy jet, 6 mile final. 34 right, let up ways goes, 40 mile 46. Skywest 3404 from Juliet, turn right on runway 34 center, left at Mike, hold short, runway 34 right.
Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike, and hold short, 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive rate.
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, clear to cross 34 right, ground at the satellite, A332.
Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7.
Cross 34 right, Delta 1143.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Transref inner speed.
Check.
Departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000. Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike, and hold short 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive rate.
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, clear to cross 34 right, ground at the satellite, A332.
Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7.
Cross 34 right, Delta 1143.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Transref inner speed.
Check.
Departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000.
Autopilot.
Air, correction,
Check.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, sail departure, good evening, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb and maintain 15,000 Turkish 7 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
15,000 checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Horizon 2092, clear direct Bander.
Clear direct Bander, or Bander Horizon 2092.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, stay altitude leaving.
We're passing 2,500 now.
Thank you.
Flaps 1.
Delta 2523, contact center on 126.6.
Flaps 1.
126.6.
Speed checked.
2523.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you.
Goes 41, 46, Alpha 7, ready for push.
Skywest 4146, Seattle ramp, hold for traffic.
Hold for traffic, Skywest 41, 46.
Delta Tower, good evening, EVA 026 Heavy, 9 mile, triple right. EVA 026 Heavy, Seattle Tower, caution wing turbulence, heavy Boeing 787M position, 1 departure after that, wind 020 at 7, runway 34 right, clear to land.
Land, EVA 02, triple right, EVA 026.
Yes.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, runway 34 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 34 right, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Stop.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
You have control, I have
I have
communication.
control.
Have a nice flight.
Have a
Take
nice
off.
flight.
Stabilized. Thrust rep.
Checked.
Takeoff thrust set.
EVA 026 Heavy, reduce to your final approach speed. Skywest 4146, caution wing turbulence, runway
8
34
knots.
right, line up and wait, traffic will
Hold.
cross, additional traffic, heavy jet 6 mile final.
34 right, let up ways goes 41, 46.
Skywest 3404 from Juliet, turn right on runway 34 center, left at Mike, hold short, runway 34 right.
Alright, on the Juliet, turn right on the runway 34 center, and then
Rotate.
Mike and hold short, 34 right, Skywest 3401.
Oscar 832, traffic sorting cross, runway 34 right, contact
Positive
1.7.
Gear up.
Alright, clear to cross 34 right, ground the other side of left, 832.
Delta 1143, cross, runway 34 right, contact ground point 7.
Cross 34 right, Delta 1143.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo.
Transref inner speed.
Check.
Departure, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 1,400 for 9,000.
Autopilot.
Air, correction,
Check.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, sail departure, good evening, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb and maintain 15,000 Turkish, 7 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
15,000 checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Horizon 2092, clear direct Bander.
Clear direct Bander, or Bander Horizon 2092.
Turkish Air 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, say altitude leaving.
We're passing 2,500 now.
Thank you.
Flaps 1.
Delta 2523, contact center on 126.6.
Flaps 1.
126.6,
Speed
Delta
checked.
2523.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you.
So 105, contact Vancouver Center 134.8.
10,000.
Check.
Okay.
Yes, good day, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy, passing 10,600 for 15,000.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, Seattle Center, minor precipitation the next 20 miles, maintain level 350.
Climb and maintain 350 Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
350 checked. Okay, seat belts.
Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo, turn 30 degrees right, vector for traffic.
Turning 30 degrees to the right, Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
Heading Sam.
030 checked.
Center Eastern 7590, Seattle Center Arctic. Center Eastern 7590, Seattle Center Arctic.
That's all. Beat
Turkish 8
cloud line.
Juliet Kilo, leaving 15,000, clear direct onset.
When leaving 15,000, we'll proceed to onset Turkish 8 Juliet Kilo Heavy.
After 15,000 we'll be on set, ready to go. Let's make heavy